I'm going to show you to make a colour wheel using sugar paste. So I'm starting with my primary colours, which are red, yellow and blue. So those primary colours, I can mix any colours from those primary colours. I've put them 4 sections away from each other so that they're equally spaced. Now I need to do my secondary colours. My secondary colours are when those 2 primary colours are mixed together equally. So I'm going to go for the middle section and I'm going to mix equal parts of yellow and equal parts of blue. So those 2 colours together will give me a mixture of colours, and we'll see what colour it turns out to be, and that goes in the middle. So just mix them together and you can see the colour coming. So I've got a nice green. And that can go in the middle. So that's my first secondary colour. My second secondary colour can be the yellow and the red. So yellow and red, and mixed together, half mixed together for that centre section should give me an orange. So this is my secondary colour. So secondary is when you mix 2 primary colours together. Yep, that gives me an orange. My last secondary colour is a mixture of blue and red. So equal parts of blue and red mixed together. That will give me a lovely purple. So that's going in the centre. So my secondary colours are in the centre of my primary colours. So you might need to just wipe your hands as you go, just to take off any of those colours. Now I need to do my middle colours, my secondary colours. So these are the colours that are in between the secondary and the primary. So for example, I'm going to start with the one next to the yellow. So the one that's next to the yellow, I would add more yellow. So I would add 2 parts yellow. And my primary colour that's furthest away is the blue. So I only add 1 part blue. So 2 parts yellow, 1 part blue, mixed together should give me a more yellowy green. And that's then going next to the yellow. So in between the yellow and the blue. So the yellow is closest, the blue is furthest away, so I add more yellow than blue. This section here, which is closest to blue, I add 2 parts blue, but only 1 part yellow because it's further away than yellow. Roughly equal parts, and mix those together. So I should come out with a bluey green. It's a bit more bluey than the other green because it's closer to the blue. Okay. This section here, so I'm starting next to the yellow, so I need more yellow than red. So I'll mix 1 part yellow and 2 parts red together. Just say 2 parts yellow. Okay. So I'm just going to place on my next colour. So I've mixed, because this section is close to the yellow, furthest away is primary colour red, I've mixed 2 parts yellow, 1 part red. This section here is closest to the red, so it's 1 part red, 2 parts yellow. Here we go for this one, 2 parts red, furthest away is blue, So it's 2 parts red, 1 part blue. And finally 2 parts blue, 1 part red. And we've got our basic colour wheel.